we have an unboxing. And for the 6 of you who've seen the last video, this is another unboxing. Funny story. I have a fellow hobbyist friend in Australia, which is where this box is from. He was going to send me 2 boxes, a big one and a small one. I was supposed to send the small one to a friend of mine a state over from here, and these came overseas to USA here, and I got the box and I went in. It was a pretty big box. Well, it was the wrong box. That one was the one I was supposed to send out. This is the box I'm supposed to open. So the other video is temporarily put on hold. I may open that to the public again after my friend gets his box and opens it. So I wanted to keep him in suspense. For a short time it was up. I don't think he saw it. But anyhow, onward. This is from Peter in Australia. Big box. Get a little box cutter. Little box cutter. And I already started to open it. And I saw this nice note. Thanks, Peter. Okay, what's inside? Goodies. It's a big box. It's heavy. Oh, we got a note in here. The lighting, I apologize, just the angle. I gotta get things out of here. Now, this is a box in a box. Okay. That's what he was talking about. See, I have a little trouble following directions as I live in pain, and I don't always pick up on all the details right away. So, let's pull these 2 boxes out, then we'll work with something manageable. Quite a package to send as far as it went from the land down under to the land above. I don't know, what do you call the USA as compared to Australia. To a great YouTuber, I hope this heads you in many directions. Keeps stones full of joy. Wow. Well, thank you. Let's see what we have. He loves the notes. Oh, he's a funny guy. So this is Peter at Insidious Nixie's. We're going in. Many directions indeed. Oh boy. I don't know where to start. A little problem with accepting gifts. And I do appreciate this. All the thought that goes into it, especially with all those little notes. So what we can do, I guess we'll pull everything out, lay it on a bench. It'd be a little better for lighting. We have a couple boxes. Feel like power supplies. Box, package. Now, this is interesting. This is from Australia. Peter, how do you get these United States postal flat rate envelopes? That's what I want to know. Wow. And very nicely wrapped Christmas present. It is the end of January, and he was so thoughtful. A little non-metallic tuner here. Well, thank you. Thank you, Peter. Okay, so do we move on to the second of the two boxes and put everything out on the table? Sure, why not? Guess I did it wrong. This says box 1. Of course, I opened up somebody else's package already before, so that just how I roll. I figure it out as I go, I guess. Oh no, what is going on here? Can we see in the... Yeah, we can see. I've seen this once before. Harry, if you've seen this, I watched that video when you were blessed with something similar that looks very reminiscent of a package you got from Mr. Pete. Black A case, 12-inch face. Okay, how's the suspense levels, folks? Is it rising? Am I taking too long? Alright, let's get all this packing out of the way. We're digging in. Alright, what do we open first? How about what's in the screen here? We are going to lower you guys down so I can get a seat here and maybe get you guys in the picture a little better here. Hang on, I'm getting you going here. Okay, I think I lowered too much. Crazy video over here. Alright. A case. A case. What's a case? Now, I don't want to run this video too long. This looks like a case. I'm glad I didn't stick the blade through there too deep. A case. This looks like a project box. Oh, this is like that rack mount. Alright, so in his last video, I could have sworn he was saying Jeff. Was he saying Jim? His last video in City's Nixies was talking about a project. I think using these. Okay, so this is a big project box. Okay, and then these, there's 3 that look the same. Okay, how do I safely open these up here? There's all this Christmas tape and stuff. Stockings and little images, candies. Oh, okay. Okay, so the last video that you guys didn't see, these are Nixie modules, 4 in here. I think they're IM14s. Gang together. They look modular. Possibly take the end plates off and gang more together. Put space in. 6-digit clocks, 4-digit clocks, with space in between. We'll have to figure that out. Way too many pins on here for me to figure this out. We're gonna have to open this up. We'll do that in another video. Oh, should be interesting inside. You guys stand by for that. Okay. I would imagine these are all exactly the same as that one. So we're going to put them aside for now. I'm going to save the Christmas present for last. Fragile. Oh, this is cool. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You're going to put a little label on there too for me. So I keep this in the background when I do the videos. Just like the master video himself, Pete. Oh, YouTube.com. Jim0415. How I came up with that name was I wanted Jim O. There's a lot of Jim O's out there. Google names. So 415 was just something that came up and I had a ring to it. That's how I became Jim O 415. For Big Jim, I guess that is. Oh, these are cool. How does he know I love this stuff? I always climb all over eBay looking for these. Oh, gotta get the better glasses out. This video is gonna get long, folks. I might do a two-parter. $74.90, $74.75, and then a 74 141 goes in there, which I have. Yes, these can make. These are, man, if I had two more of these, it would be joyous. I'm sure I could still come up with something. These will be in a clock one day. I have a lot going on as far as projects lined up. Unfortunately, folks, my body doesn't keep up. I have severe neck issues going on, and anytime sitting in front of the computer, video editing, or even playing with the fun stuff really takes a toll on me. I have hope, though. We'll get over that. It's just been morphing, one problem to the next. Pretty soon I'll get on top of it, I promise. But I'll do the videos as I can, and I don't always put all the effort into things that I should because of the pain issues. But 120 volt. Well, we use that over here, Mr. Pete, so that's good. And these are AC, DC. AC is a DC 13.5 volts. Okay. 1,000 milliamps. That'll be good for some Nixie clocks. Alright. There must be something here that we can use these for. There's two of those. So we'll put those aside. We'll do the Christmas present, and then I think I'll break the video and restart the camera and upload it as two videos for the plastic box over here. So is this a little tweaker? A Phillips tweaker? I guess it does have a metal end here. What is stuck to my finger? Alright. So it's always disheartening cutting this beautiful ribbon and paper off of things. But we're going to tear in like any child would on Christmas morning, even though it's a month later. I appreciate it. Entry alert system with speaker chime. Ooh. somebody opens my door, it's gonna let me know. That could come in handy. Alright. What are we running here? How long of a... I don't know where my timer is on this camera. Alright. We're going to break away. Thanks for watching this segment. And we're going to come back with another video to follow. Thanks again, Peter.